It's important to remember that FlightSpan Ops is a flight operations software package, not maintenance management software. However, it does have some maintenance tracking features to enable the flight operations and maintenance departments to coordinate their schedules and to plan for maintenance events. Before you can begin tracking the maintenance, you'll need to set up maintenance schedules for each aircraft type and maintenance history for each aircraft in your fleet. If you're not already familiar with the scheduling calendar, it will be helpful to review the scheduling calendar features video in the Flight Coordinator playlist. It gives you an overview of the scheduling calendar page layout and how to interpret what you are seeing. Access all aircraft settings by selecting Aircraft from the Settings menu. To set up maintenance events, select Aircraft Type List from the Aircraft menu on the left. Click on the model aircraft you want to edit to open the Aircraft Type Detail window. Select the Events tab and click the green plus button to create a new maintenance event type. Name the event and choose whether it is a calendar, flight time, or hybrid event, one that uses both calendar and flight time. Enter the interval hours or calendar time and the number of shop hours required for the event. For example, if two maintenance specialists working together can complete a 50-hour inspection, including the paperwork, in one day, default downtime should be set to 9 hours for a typical workday. Note that the time frame for inspections, which span multiple days, will expand to account for non-work days and holidays. Click the appropriate checkbox and adjust the hours depending on the flexibility your regulator allows for that maintenance event. Hover over the question marks if you are unsure of the meaning. Add additional maintenance event types as necessary.